Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be giving you guys an update on the shop press. I started painting it. We're going to be painting it 2 different colors. I already got some of it painted. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So we have the shop press broken down. So I painted the arms, or the legs, this dark hunter green. It went well, except for the fact that I stopped the painting right here because it was still mounted on the legs, which the legs are hanging right here. I have the heater on, so it's kind of helping drying the paint. So these are the feet that the wheels were on, that I put on, and these were still mounted to the feet, and I painted it standing upright. But when I stopped the primer and the green paint somewhere around here, and I ended up priming this little section, and splatter went this way, you know, little dots of primer, gray primer went up. So I decided to primer this section and then just spray a little more green over it, and it ended up wrinkling, which looks very odd. This one wrinkled on the inside, but this one is the worst. The inside on this one's fine, it's just for some reason on the outside it wrinkled. I think it might have had something to do with that. The majority of this was green, and I kind of went up and primered up here just a little bit to blend it in, and then when I put the green back on it, it wrinkled. I did repaint the press plates, everything that was slightly flash rusted. See, you can see there's flash rusting on this, and this hasn't been painted yet. I painted the springs, I just primed the springs. Here's the plate that the bottle jack attaches to, which also presses. The little support brackets. So in the next video you guys will see there's a bunch of paint right here, but I grabbed dark navy gloss blue, a gloss navy blue, and this, and the piece that's sitting under it, which is the table. And you guys are probably going to correct me. I call it a table because it sits on sits on pins. You move the deck or a table up and down to make it easier to press, or you're pressing something longer, you drop the table down. And then here is the top support, which the bottle jack presses against. So it's the bottle jack is green also. So these are going to be, the legs are green, the support brackets are green, the press plate is green, the legs are green, and the bottle jack is sitting right here. The bottle jack is green. And then what's going to be that navy blue are these two, this piece and this piece. And the springs I'm actually going to be painting a copper color, just because I thought it would be a nice contrast. It'll give you like a, it's a metallic finish. It's a copper color. But paint the springs copper so that way it pops. You know, because you're going to have the bottle jack in this city, you know, green. And then this and this are going to be blue, so you can tell the difference. Because I don't want to paint everything green. I don't know if I'm going to, strip this and repaint it, because you can see the rest of it other than my fingerprints is very, very nice. Even this one came out nice. So just a little update, guys. So we're gonna bag everything that I got from Home Depot. Actually, you know what? I'll just make this a quick video. I'm just going to leave this as the shop press. because I told you guys I'd update you on the shop press. I'll do a video after everything's painted and primed and everything, and it's put back together. I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description below, down here, I also have a Ulsa Tools link. And go check them out. You'll get 10% off your order at Ulsa Tools. It also kicks me back 10% off my next order at Ulsa Tools. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!